Ever wondered what happens when a major financial player decides to step away from a huge part of its business? Well, that's exactly what's happening with Ally Financial. The company, which you might know from its high-yield savings accounts or its auto loans, is making a significant shift. Ally is exiting the mortgage origination business. Now, this doesn't mean they're getting out of mortgages entirely. They'll still service existing loans and retain their mortgage portfolio. The big change is that they will no longer be originating new home loans. So, if you are looking to get a mortgage through Ally, that option is now off the table. So, why are they doing this? According to Ally, it's all about strategic alignment and focusing on their core business. The company is doubling down on areas where they see the most growth and profitability, which includes their auto lending, personal lending, and their ever-popular high-yield savings products. They're also emphasizing their digital-first approach. The mortgage business, with its complex and often volatile market, simply didn't fit into this long-term vision. This move comes at a time when the mortgage market is experiencing a significant slowdown. Rising interest rates have put a damper on home sales and refinancing activity, making it a challenging environment for lenders. It's a classic business decision: cut a part of the operation that's underperforming to free up resources for areas that are thriving. For consumers, this move has a few implications. If you're an existing Ally mortgage customer, nothing changes for you. Your loan will continue to be serviced by Ally. However, if you were considering them for a new home loan, you'll need to look at other lenders. The good news is the market is still full of great options, from traditional banks to credit unions and dedicated online lenders. Ultimately, this is a clear sign of a company adapting to a changing economic landscape. Ally is making a calculated bet that by specializing and focusing on its most profitable sectors, it will be in a stronger position for the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.